Alright, we're back. I screwed up. I laid these things out in the wrong order. They're all numbered, you know. I should have known it when they weren't lining up. But I got it, tore it back apart real quick and got it fixed up. So we're back on track. We're on number 6. Number 6. You don't want a bunch of glue oozing out past the ends because it'll inhibit the resin getting in there. You want the resin to get into the corrugation of the cardboard. That's what makes it good and stiff, so you can grind it and form it. Okay. 7. That one looks a little gnarly because I had to split it. Luckily, I got to it quick enough. You know, as you're building these layers up, it stays pretty hot in there. So I was able to, 2 layers down, I was still able to pull it apart. Another stick in there. So that's it. We're gluing her together. I'll bring it to you when we're done. See you, folks.